Breathing is absolutely essential for life. If your lungs do not exhale the toxic metabolites of your body, and if they do not bring fresh oxygen to your lungs, to your organs, you die. In the lungs, millions of small alveoli, balloon-like structures, do this job. They are composed of two cell linings and they are extremely vulnerable. If viruses, bacteria, heavy cigarette smoke, toxic gases, big heat, or physical damage hit your lungs, alveoli lose their structure and the lungs are flooded by fluids, which is called edema formation. For this, no drug treatments exist. But the body has defense mechanisms, we just need to discover them. At Apeptico, we discovered that a common protein called TNF-alpha has a biological domain which can rescue the lungs. We defined it as Solnatide, a peptidic drug of 17 amino acids, which is synthetically manufactured. It rescues the lungs by activating a process which clears the edema and restores the alveoli. We have access to high-tech inhalation systems because you need to administer Solnatide exactly to the place of needs in your lungs. To come to market, we need support for confirmatory clinical phase 3 trials of 5 million euros. Keep in mind, annual revenues are estimated at least 450 million euros. We rely on your help. And keep in mind, never forget, breathing is living. Thank you very much.